How do you get a relief line that straight when you can't clamp a piece of wood to guide your router? I'm going to show you a really easy way. So got an example piece of MDF here. Got a cordless router trimmer with a pointy blade in it. Can you see that? It's just a normal point blade in it. And what I will need to do is put a straight line across this, like I have in the unit I showed you earlier. I know if you could, you'd just get a scrap piece of wood and you'd clamp it to that wood and then guide it down. But what if, like on this unit I'm making here, it's got sides both sides, so there's no way of clamping really to it. It's not very easy to clamp a piece of wood to it. And I don't want to put screws, of course, in the face because then you're making holes in the unit, and I don't want to do that. Well, there is a good way. Now, if you just held a piece of wood on here, like that, by hand, if you're really, really strong, you could try that. I'm just going to show you what will probably happen if you do that, though. The wood will move and you'll end up with a line like that. I'll just put a pencil in there so you can see what's happened. It's not straight, it's way off. So a good tip for you to get away with that is if you get yourself some sandpaper and just fold it in half like that, just a couple of small pieces of sandpaper and fold them in half so they've got the sandpaper on both sides, and put them about 10-15 mil from the edge of the line. Then get your strip of wood and place it on top of your sandpaper. Make sure your sandpaper doesn't stick out, so it's going to kick your router out. Make sure it's set back under the edge of your wood slightly. Push down on that sandpaper and you'll realise then it ain't going nowhere. So when you come to route, push down hard. Right here line, and as you can see, it's a perfect straight line. So if you like this video, you want to see some more, hit that follow button, TikTok, Instagram and Facebook, and hit that subscribe button on my YouTube channel, and I'll see you on the next one.